in Calabasas. Beautiful trees. Still on Ventura Boulevard. Picked up Jim. That's last recording. A tiny incline here. That doesn't look too bad. You've been on this route before then, right, Michael? No. First time for you too then. Okay. Catch up for our little peloton here. "27 miles in. Another 70.
Disparity in prices. I mean, I get it. These dudes probably cost them more to operate here, but it's a fucking Sinclair. They're the cheapest chain. $6.99. But
Yeah.
you know, you're off the highway. You're gonna exit right off the highway. Why not charge $1 more? You never just you're gonna get it. You never get gas right off the highway. By fucking Costco. I never did gas at Costco, but I was out there last weekend and I could sit out there like 30 is like fucking good. It was closed. They had cones left. They were fucking out of gas. People were mobbing that shit. I got it this morning. Yeah. I got it back from college and my car got it. So I got it.
Get in there, Matt. At least you didn't bash your ankle, you know. That can happen. I've done that a couple of times, a big owie.
Yeah.
You know, I remember one time, you know, when you're as young as you are, when I was, going to college in Pomona, Cal Poly, doing my degree.
What did you read?
Electrical engineering. And my car broke down. I didn't have a backup. I took my bike with my toolbox, my books, for an entire week. I thought I was going back and forth. Well, you know, I stayed there with, you know, some friends.
Right.
But
How far was that?
I guess 40 miles one way.
That's what it is.
And carrying like 50 pounds of shit.
Yeah.
You know, your textbooks, man.
And then sitting down.
I mean, I leave at like 4 o'clock in the morning, like an idiot.
Right.
To make it to my first class at 8 or whatever, I don't know. And then I always had this habit of always taking the stairs up.
Right.
I had to use the elevator because my knees, the day after were so sore and hurting.
Right.
And then people were like, my friends, because I had that behavior,
Right.
what are you doing in the elevator, bro? I was like, well, I didn't tell you, but I took my bike here. Oh, that's nice. You parked on Back Street came. I was like, no, from LA.
Right.
They went, what the fuck?
My God.
I went, yeah, my car's busted right now, getting fixed. Gonna take a week or two to get back on. So I said, oh, I'll just take the bike. I don't want to use the bus.
Right.
And it's like, dude, just ask us for a ride. I got a couple of friends. Okay. And you just stay here in my dorm room or sleep on the floor. You grew up as a Filipino poor man. I was like, yeah, I don't mind sleeping on the floor.
That's really weird.
And then so just trying to tell you, you can brute force anything as a kid. You may feel a little bit of soreness here and there for a couple of days, but then you're gonna bounce back.
Bounce back.
You will. I can attest to that.
Yeah.
That's why I'm sharing with you.
I was out till 2 a.m. last night.
Oh God. So you barely got any sleep. Okay. I think that's pretty cool, man. Yeah. There you got car back. All right, over the freeway. should slow down for the pack.
Alright, well let's walk.
You can wait right there at that driveway.